Hey guys, it's Stella and welcome back to my channel. We're doing a TaoBao unboxing today. Usually I do like TaoBao try-ons, but today we're gonna do an unboxing, which is exciting. I've been like, I got this yesterday and I'm really like dying to rip them open and see what's inside. Alright, we're just gonna jump right into it. I got my handy scissors. Where's my handy scissors? This isn't gonna be like the biggest haul, but like just a couple of like random things I got. Ooh, oh, this is not mine. This is a gift. Okay, this is like a phone casing, so it's like the Demon Slayer one, and it's him in like some punk ass clothing. I got this for my friend Jeremy. Okay, next. Okay, the bigger packaging. Ooh, what did I get? Okay, this is the one like that's from the EZbuy shop. I wanted to get this for the longest time. This is like a v-neck, just like a dress with the strings to kind of like attach around your waist and make you look more like shaped. They have it in white as well, which is like, I got this one first because definitely white will make you look bigger, and also like how opaque it is also another issue. So I'm gonna try this one out. If I love it, I'm so gonna get a white one. Oh, I got a skirt. Oh, the material is so nice. Oh gosh, this is so cute. It's gonna match whatever I'm wearing right now. This is like a nice pants inside as well, and it's not too like lightweight. I know that it won't fly around, and oh my gosh, it's actually stretchy around like the waist area as well, so that is definitely like a plus point. This is in size M. I think I got some really boring things. I'm not sure if you guys are interested, but I'm still gonna have to open it. Okay, so I picked up a box of 12 like BB cushion kind of like sponge, because this is what I used to apply my foundation, and I think that it's awesome and it's so cheap. And I think they gave me 2 of these like little containers. I'm going on like a cruise soon, and I think these little things, ooh, it's so secure, are gonna be like awesome. You can put the sponge inside as well. Okay, next packaging. This one is definitely heavier. Ooh. Ah. What I buy? Ooh. Ah. Oh. You have to button it on your own. Okay, it's like the cutest. Oh my gosh, I was so excited for this one. Flow dress thing, which I love. I love like this like cake deer thing. I think it just accentuates like the cute. You get to like tie the straps on your own. The little bow makes it even cuter, but at the same time it's black, so it's not too in your face cute. The material is actually pretty thick, so the wind won't blow it up, and there is like an inner lining as well, so that is really nice. Wow, this is so cute. Oh, another cute piece. Oh. So it's kind of a top that you put outside of whatever you're wearing inside. It could be like a white dress, it could be like a collared like long shirt or something like that. And oh, it's really stretchy at the back also, so it fits like a good size, kind of like a dusty pastel blue, not too bright pastel, but like a dusty one, so it's not too loud. It's an off-shoulder dress that I got. It gives like nighttime date look, where you look very like kind of sexy, flowy, and like put together. And I kind of wanted to like bring this to cruise, like so that I like look a bit more chill when I go dating. Yes, hopefully lah, yeah. And because the dress is so long, the wind blow on the cruise also won't fly away. That's my thought. What's this? This was in my cart for I think a good 1 year, but I never ever checked it out. I don't know why. Whoa, this is nice. Look at it. I wanted something of a like different color for a jacket, because I always have like either nudish colors or I have like black or white. The material is kind of like those feng shui, you know, waterproof one. Very interesting. It has like these words, like absolutely no meaning, so it's like at least it's not spelled wrongly. It's just like a totally gone word, so I'm good with that. Oh my TaoBao. I got a bag for myself. Usually I don't like carry bigger tote bags. These days I've been carrying more tote bags, and my tote bags are the free ones that I got, which look not the best. Oh, it's like this ish. Tight, pretty tight. If not, like it will drop and then your thing will fall. Okay, it is pretty tight. I wanted to get something to match with like the black clothes that I always wear, and this is like really big. This is like a really big bag actually. I want to see how it looks. I think look not bad lah, quite cute, and you can put a shit ton of thing inside. This is really big, like way bigger than I expected it to be. and this it's a set. So cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, so cute. It's very cute lah. This is nice as well. This one is like more toned down with like just the word. Shit, this is really really cute. Look at this. Ah, how kawaii. See? Ah, it's really thick. It's nice. It's really really nice. This is good quality socks. I don't remember what I buy. Oh, I got earrings. Anyway, this is like a repurchase earring. These are like the cutest, easiest to like wear earrings. Can you guys see? It's this one over here. Not the one at the back, but the other one at the back I also can put in the link down for you guys to have a look. Also from TaoBao. And this is the new one. Look at how cute that is. I got a small black crop top. What's different about this crop top is that it has like a zip in the middle. So that's kind of special, I guess. Yeah, can I pluck it out? Yeah, this weird thing, but you can just cut out the strings one by one. Okay, next. I got another bag. Ah, white color. And then it has like this blue color detail that goes. I assume it sounds like that, or like. It comes with a zip even and like a little compartment inside to put your thing. Blue on the white just gives it a little bit of like color. Can put laptop inside also. Go to work because I work from home. Good. Oh, I got this one quite cute. This one is like a couple shoe series. Haha. 讲得好开心啊. A couple shoe, right? So it's a gift lah, yeah. Oh my gosh, how cute. So cute. Yes. Oh my gosh. Look at this. They're quite heavy. Like a good sturdy feeling. Like it's cushioned inside on the soles itself as well as the top part. So cute, huh? To like wear at home, and this is for her. Kind of like Maggie, right? Cute. Haha. I can't wait to like show her like soon. I have top. This is an oversized like stripe, very thin white stripe kind of top. I think I kind of do like an oversized kind of bad girl vibes with longer pants, or that yeah, I can always share my girl, so like that's good too. This is really transparent, like translucent, like a crop top. Very translucent, but looks pretty cute and comfortable. And yeah, this was like from a shop. They had a bunch of all these like crop off shoulder kind of things, and I just bought one to kind of try out the quality first, and I can say it's like pretty soft. It's a pretty good quality. Like if you want to have nice clothes but you don't want it to be too hot, this is a very lightweight, summer friendly top for sure. We have come to the end of this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It was really fast. I just like whacked through everything. I think my favorite purchase was like quite a few things, but I have all the links down below. And also do remember to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.